Welcome to our AI-generated presentation titled Elevate Your Workplace with AI, brought to you by Evo Human Excellence. Whether you're a business owner or a department head, having an AI strategy can transform your workplace.
Companies that leverage AI stay competitive, drive innovation, and achieve sustainable growth.
Businesses leveraging AI have seen up to a 40% increase in productivity. Now, AI can automate repetitive tasks, such as writing emails, creating a presentation like this, and language translation.
A 60% improvement in customer satisfaction has been reported when companies have used AI for customer insights.
Implementing AI can lead to significant cost savings, with some businesses reducing operational costs by 25%.
Stay ahead of the competition by analyzing vast amounts of data with AI that can help you to make smarter, data-driven decisions.
Automate repetitive tasks with AI. This frees up your team to focus on more strategic, high-value activities that drive growth.
Automation can help you reduce your operational costs and minimizing errors while maintaining or even improving service quality. At Evo Human Excellence, we have been helping our clients upskill their teams through our AI programs and services. Our AI and sales program is designed to revolutionize your sales processes. Your sales team can now automate routine tasks, personalize customer interactions, and focus on high-converting leads.
AI and leadership focuses on equipping leaders with the tools to foster innovation that will give you the competitive edge in your industry.
The AI and marketing program will help you personalize content and campaigns in just a fraction of the time. This is just a scratch of the surface. For more information, you can visit our website, www.evohumex.com.
You can also schedule a free consultation with one of our AI strategists to discuss AI solutions tailored to your specific needs.